Hi everyone, for this video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to create public profile on Snapchat. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Snapchat account. We can do so by checking into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated account. Once everything is set, then we can go ahead and log into our Snapchat account. Once we are updated on this page, we can go ahead and click our profile icon. And if you notice on our screen right now, if we're going to scroll down, there should be an option wherein we can create a public profile. However, at this time, we still don't have that option. So in order for us to make sure that that option is already visible, we need to go ahead to our settings by clicking this gear icon. And once we are here, we can go ahead and scroll down, and we are going to click here in privacy control. We're going to click contact me. We are going to set this one for everyone. And right after that, in terms of your story, we can go ahead and click that and make sure that it is everyone as well. So once we're done with that, we can go back in this part. And if you notice, create public profile option is now visible on our ad. So we're going to click that. If you notice on our screen right now, any snaps you send to Spotlight or SnapMap will now show your name. Anyone who views these snaps or your lenses will be able to subscribe to your account. So we're going to click continue then. And right after that, in order for us to build your public profile, we're going to click get started. And right after that, we're going to click create. So once we click create, we will be routed on this part. And we're going to scroll down, and we are now going to click here, my public profile. So if you notice, we can now set up our account. And we can edit our profile, so we can put up our profile image here. We can also add our bio and of course our location as well. We can also turn this one on so that we can know the number of subscribers that we have on our Snapchat account. So basically we can play around and edit some information on our public profile. So there you have it. That's how we are going to create public profile on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.